Okay, question 29. When you look at this, you think, well, how am I meant to factorize this here? Is it like a single bracket? Okay, but if you think single bracket, there's no common factors there. But how are you meant to have two brackets then? You know, you see x squared, how are you meant to have two brackets? Because there's no x there. Now, there's two ways of doing this, right? There's a long way, which I'm going to show you first so you understand it. Then I'll show you a really quick way, okay? But you could write this as x squared plus 0x, yeah, minus 64. Because there's no x there, so you can write there's 0x. So when we do that multiply add thing then, right? They've got to multiply to give minus 64, right? And add to give 0, right? Because that's the number there. So when you do your brackets then, multiply to give minus 64, well, 8 times 8 gives you 64. If you want to add to give 0, it will, won't it, if you make one of them minus? So one of them be plus 8, one of them be minus 8. Okay? Now this is what is known as the difference of two squares. Okay? So if you think about it, this is a square, isn't it? It's the square of x. This is the square of 8. Okay? That's x squared. This is 8 squared. And there's minus, so it's a difference. We call it the difference of two squares. And all you've got to do is, right, you don't have to go through this process. All you've got to remember is two brackets. Whatever this is, okay, here, okay, whatever you're squaring, you write here. So you're squaring x, you write x here and x here. And whatever you're squaring here, you write here. Okay, so you're squaring x here, so you put x and x here. You're squaring 8 here, so you put 8 and 8 here. And then you make one of them plus, one of them minus. And that's all you've got to do. When it comes to part 2 then, it asks to simplify this. But if you notice, right, the top bit there, we've already done, okay, in part 1, so we're going to use that now in a minute. But of course, we need to factorize this bottom bit first, okay? In order to simplify this, we need to factorize this bottom bit. So, you know, this one is a more conventional one. Okay, so you can do that multiply add thing. Now in this case, multiply, remember, because there's a number there, 2, you times that, the end number, so we multiply to give minus 16, add to give minus 15. And in that case, 16 and 1 multiplies, yeah? But that will add to give minus 15, won't it, if you put minus 16, add 1. Okay, so then in the brackets, because it's 2x squared, you put 2x in both brackets. Minus 16, add 1. Okay, and then don't forget then you've got to do a bit more work. Because you times by 2 here, you've got to divide by 2, you've got to pay back. In this case then you've got a factor of 2. Okay. Take the 2 out there on the first bracket, so they cancel, so you end up having x minus 8, 2x plus 1. Now what I want you to do now is go back to this original version here, and because it says simplify, now the top we can write as this, can't we? Okay, the top is x plus 8, x minus 8. The bottom then, we've put in brackets, is this, x minus 8, 2x plus 1. And what I want you to notice is, they're the same, so they can cancel, so that cancels with this. So you end up having x plus 8 over 2x plus 1.